I am looking at an extremely nice, not a 100 pointer, but wow, nice 39. It's restored. Got the front wheel lights as you see. Got the trim rings. It is real correct, not perfectly correct. Later model rear fender. Got repop tail light. So the toolbox is repop, the exhaust of course, the 6-inch. So Bordas did the Speedo, dash cover is repop. But man, it's pretty straight. Got a real running light, real fender tips. Look at this jewelry here. Woohoo. And look at this jewelry right there. And so it's got the right early spotlights. Have been taken apart and rivets are wrong, of course, when nobody does the right rivets. And I got a World's Fair shift knob. I want to get the motor numbers in here so we can cover that. But it's an early one, 4-fin cylinders, right heads, primary. Man, what's some jewelry?
Look at the derby cover.
Let's see, he says, look at the derby cover. Ooh, is that a World's Fair derby cover? Somebody engraved that, I assume. It's not a real one. Yeah. This is a compass here, he tells me. So you don't get lost. It is all restored. Painted ignition switch, typical. With Doxy, I think they called that. Yep. Gonna make those repop there. I'm sure that's a repop. It's got. We're in the country. Can you hear the gunshots? Air gauge. What a cool machine. So it's cool enough to ride it. Let's see. Let's check out the front end here. What we got, and we have right horn. Right front crash bar, that's rare as hell. Let's see. Okay, I can't tell if that leg curves or not. 39 should have a curved fork. So I believe that's a mid-40 fork. But it's pretty straight. It's got the right frame. I assume matching belly numbers.
Oh yeah, the case numbers match.
Matching belly numbers. So the gentleman didn't know what it was worth. He invited me over here to give an inspection, give him an idea.
Check out the license plate.
The license plate is 3090L, Ohio. Hey, Daytona Beach. Cool flag topper. Way cool stuff. It's got some goodies on it. That it does. That it does. So, of course, the gas caps are repop. And Mickey leads the way. Yay, yay. So, now I assume that this is a repop one. This little...
yeah, one guy makes it.
Yeah.
But they don't make it anymore.
Yeah.
It was nickel plated.
Yeah, so pretty cool. So the machine is for sale.
You ever see one of these before?
Which ones? Yeah, they repop them.
Oh.
And I got one, and it wasn't made right. Went right in the trash can.
That's an original.
That's an original one. Okay, well that's the only original I've ever seen. That's a rare piece, the original one. You know, I can't understand why they couldn't
make it right.
Bother to make it. Hey, if you're gonna make something, make it right. You know. So you got real tips here. It's a nice machine, very straight. So it is for sale. If you're interested and want to buy this never be fired before restoration, who did the motor on it?
I did the motor, but I didn't. We didn't take it. We didn't split the cases.
So you didn't split the cases.
But all the gear. So
How did you sandblast the cases without splitting the cases?
Very carefully with crushed glass.
Yeah, boy, that's scary. So anyhow, he didn't split the cases, but the cases have been blasted. Did you rebuild the tranny?
Yeah, it's 3-speed with reverse.
3-speed with reverse on the trans. So it's never been fired. which is what it is. Never been fired machine. It's a brand new restoration. And it is for sale. So if you're interested, get a hold of me. huntingharleys@gmail.com. That's huntingharleys@gmail.com. huntingharleys@gmail.com. Or call or text 661-904-8512. That's 661-904-8512. 661-904-8512. See you guys in the next video. And we're going to get a bunch of photos of this right now.